My fellow agents, this is Jason Huval. I'm the broker and founder of Central Metro Realty. And today I have put together a quick video to talk about buyer's agent commissions. Now there's some new forms or new releases of our residential sales contracts that were just put out a couple of months ago, and there is a little confusion that I've seen with these forms. So this is really to make sure everybody's doing this correctly. I have seen just recently one of our agents go through a pretty nasty commission dispute, and so that's what kind of spawned this. And so I'm trying to get ahead of this for as many people as possible. But as many of you know, this compensation agreement between brokers, this is a TXR form 2402, obligates broker to broker to pay one another. Right? And so this was a way for us to make sure that we are getting paid a commission as a buyer's agent on a deal. A listing or a selling broker agrees to pay us a commission on a transaction. This does a great job of that. With the updates to our 1 to 4 and really all of the residential forms, we did the 1 to 4, the condo, the farm and ranch, and the unimproved property all have this same update. I'm going to go scroll down here, make you dizzy, to section 12. If you haven't seen this already, and again, this isn't to tell you that this exists, this is to tell you not to use both of these things. So, don't, that's the point of this video. In this settlement and other expenses here, we can now, it identifies how we get paid, right? It's whatever you have on your buyer's rep, you can put that right here. This is where you are gonna have the seller pay your commission, pay the buyer's agent commission. And so the difference between the two, the seller is obligated to pay here. On this agreement between brokers, the broker has agreed to pay a buyer commission, right? And so the problem is, as a listing agent, if I have got both of these things, so now I have the seller is paying and the listing broker is paying, right? So if I'm, again, I'm on the listing side here, it's getting paid twice. I'm paying and my seller's paying. So that buyer's agent technically is obligated to get paid twice. That causes a mess. I think most brokers would say that's a mistake. It's an honest mistake, or I'm hoping as people learn these forms, but maybe not. This is where it shows you're contractually obligated. The seller's paying and you're paying part of your commission. So I don't want to make sure there's zero confusion there. It should be one or the other of these forms, not both. To do it correctly. If you're trying to pay a certain percentage, flat fee, whatever it is, $5,000, $10,000, something like that on a deal, it should just be in one of these places. The other mistake that's made is on the last page of the contract. I think on all of these, again, all the residential contracts, has an information-only page. And I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. I've heard so many times, this right here obligates, somebody puts a percentage, puts a dollar amount, oh, that was in the contract, that's what they're paying. That's only for information. That means nothing. That means absolutely nothing that somebody is getting paid if there's a percentage or a dollar amount in this section of the contract. This is for information purposes only. So, anyways, I hope all that sinks in. The moral of all this is one or the other. We're either going to use the agreement between brokers, or we're going to use one of these residential contracts. And as mentioned, I'm going to just show you two. Here's a condo contract right here from TREC. If we scroll down section 12, you'll see the same language is here to pay for a buyer's broker. That's the same for all 4 of our residential contract, or our updates there. So anyways, I hope that this has been helpful to you. As always, you can call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We're happy to help. And my marketing guy would be mad if I didn't say, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.